Welcome to Panther Creek, one of the most desirable neighborhoods on the west side of Jacksonville. This vibrant community was designed for easy, active living and features a ton of amenities, including a clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center, pickleball and tennis courts, multiple playgrounds, a dog park, and scenic walking trails. Today, we're looking at the 2003 floor plan by KB Home, one of the featured builders in the neighborhood. KB Home offers both 1- and 2-story floor plans with 3 to 5 bedrooms, so there's something for everyone. Conveniently located just south of I-10 and close to I-295 in the First Coast Expressway, just about a 25-minute drive to downtown Jacksonville.